Hi, Betty. Hi, it's Daddy. Hi, Betty. I miss you. Hi. And guess who else is here? It's Nani.
Hi, Betty. Mwah. I miss you too.
And Auntie Tata.
Hi, Betty. How are you? I miss you.
And guess who else? A brand new baby. It's Cleo.
Say hi.
She's not cold.
Hi, Cleo.
Look,
Hi.
she's a brand new baby.
Stand next to her hands.
She's only 3 days old. She's only 3 days old.
Put the blanket over.
Wow. Look at her. Okay.
She's your cousin.
She's your first cousin, Betty.
Yeah?
That means she's like your sister. And you're older than her. So you're going to have to look out for baby Cleo, okay? You're going to have to teach her stuff because you're older than her. She's your first cousin. She's almost like your sister. She's our family. Okay. Bye, Betty. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Mwah. Bye.